Hey guys, Massey here, and in this particular video, I wanted to share with you a question that was asked to me as it relates to how to best use a larger property. Now, when I say a larger property and you're trying to use it for short-term rental, there are many considerations that honestly come into play. But here's the good news. If you are out there and you're trying to use a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, or maybe even a 6-bedroom house as a short-term rental, the good news is that it can be one of the most profitable ways of actually using that piece of real estate, and you can exceed market averages simply depending on things like the floor plan. So one of our students was actually asking this very question about a potential property that they were looking at during one of our Q&A sessions that we tend to have for our students. So I figured the answer was good enough for them. It's probably good enough for you, and some of you could be dealing with this exact same situation. So if you like information like this and you would like to help us reach more entrepreneurs like you, please, every like counts. So go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to keep getting more, hit that subscribe button as well. And in the meantime, sit back, relax, take some notes, and enjoy.
Hey Tyler, I have an owner-occupied property where the upstairs is what she would be renting to me with 3 bedrooms, and she has 2 separate rooms downstairs that she is willing to open up to larger groups. How would you handle the lease negotiations and privacy of guests? Okay, if this is a duplex, Tyler, if that's what you're trying to tell me, this is a duplex, then it sounds like you rent out each side separately. Simple. It's not even that complicated. It's just you're renting out the top. If it's especially if she's living in one piece of it. If she's renting out the entire duplex to you, then do 2 leases. That's it. Don't make it any more. This is not complicated at all. Now, how you list it and market it is something completely different. It has literally nothing to do with the lease. If she's saying it's a duplex, then great. You then rent out the duplex. That's because you have an issue. If it's a duplex, it's probably a wall separating, meaning there's no internal access between the upstairs and downstairs. Or maybe there is, but it's inside a common hallway, which is still weird. Either way it goes, what you need to do is to either find out, like if she's been renting it as 2 completely separate units, then you rent it as 2 completely separate units. Now, does that mean once you have control over the entire building, are you going to rent it as 2 separate units? No, if you've got 5 bedrooms, in theory, you could do 5 1-bedrooms. I wouldn't do that, but you could. You could do the upstairs, then you could do the downstairs. And then yes, you could do both together. However, that's going to complicate your marketing system. Not saying it can't be done, but the softwares we recommend totally handle this. I believe Shanna in Canada is one that I know for a fact who set this up. I'm pretty sure Eric and Rebecca have one of these set up too, as well, because it can become a very profitable way to make sure that as much space as possible is always rented. So, but it really comes down more to the floor plan than it does anything else, because if the floor plan's not convenient, it's just never really going to work anyway. And it should probably be a 3-bedroom and a 2-bedroom, or a 3-bedroom and 2 1-bedrooms, or a 5-bedroom house. Either way it goes, all of those things are there for you, but it's really floor plan dependent. And until we've actually seen a walkthrough of the floor plan, it's going to be really, really tough to make that happen. So hopefully that helps. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been fun talking to you guys today. I thank you for your time, your attention. Keep asking your questions, because we want to make sure that you have exactly what you need to go out there and to be the success that I already know that you are. So with that being said, it's been fun talking to you guys today. I look forward to talking to you soon. Until next time.